Doing a quick video for you guys. We repair the air condition on this 2008 Toyota Hiace bus. We remove and replace the front and the rear evaporator core. So guys, we already installed a new evaporator core for the rear unit, and this is the old one that we remove. Also guys, we already installed the new evaporator core for the front. This is the old evaporator core that we removed for the front. Guys, we already regas the system. Look at the outside pipe, sweating a lot of water. So guys, I'm going to check the temperature inside, and we get down the temperature to 5.9 degrees Celsius.